Today we've got a magical video in store for all you Disney fans. So if you're planning a trip to the most magical place on earth in 2024, you've come to the right place. We got some essential Disney packing tips that'll have you packing like a theme park pro. So let's dive in. First, let's talk about clothing. The weather in Disney can be very unpredictable, so it's essential to be prepared. Pack lightweight, breathable clothes for those warm days and toss in a light jacket or even a sweater for cooler evenings. Florida weather can be so unpredictable, so it's best to be prepared for sunshine and rain. Invest in a good pair of comfortable shoes and break them in ahead of time. Blisters are no fun, so make sure your footwear is tried and true before you go on your trip. Now let's move on to tech gear. Your smartphone is going to be your best friend in Disney. Make sure you bring along a portable charger to keep your devices all juiced up throughout the day. And speaking of chargers, consider bringing along a power strip. With all those gadgets you'll have to charge, having extra outlets in your hotel room can be a game changer. Invest in a good quality backpack. It's going to be your lifeline in the park. Packing your essentials like sunscreen, ponchos for those surprise rain showers, and even your refillable water bottles so you stay hydrated. Disney snacks are a must, but they can be pricey. Pack some of your favorite non-perishable snacks to keep your energy levels up. Granola bars, nuts, dried fruit are perfect for keeping the hunger away. Each Disney park has its own unique charm, and your packing should reflect that. Before heading into the parks, be sure to pack your cooling towels to beat the heat, your autograph books so you're ready for those meet and greets, and even a portable foam fan will make all the difference. Now let's talk about capturing those magical moments. Bring a quality camera with you, or make sure your smartphone camera is up to the task. Consider packing a small notebook for jotting down memories, and don't forget your autograph pens. You want to have more than just one so that your pen don't give out on you when you need it most. And also let's not forget Memory Maker to have those photographers in the park capture your memories without any extra charge. Pack a small first aid kit with essentials like band-aids and pain relievers. With all those magical photo ops, your phone battery can drain quick, so bring along a portable charger to keep your devices powered throughout the day. Make your Disney experience extra special by bringing along some personalized gear. Customized shirts, mouse ears, and even autograph books can add that special personalized touch to your trip. Plus, it makes for a great souvenir to cherish your memories forever. If you're a pen trader, bring along your pen collection and your lanyard. You never know when you might find the perfect trade. Now, whether you're a seasoned Disney goer or this is your first time visit, these tips will help you pack like a theme park pro. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more Disney magic, and leave a comment sharing your favorite packing tips below. Until next time, get out and live your next adventure.